Hello everyone, it's Jackie Rose with Jackie'sRamblings.com and DirtPourNoMore.com. I finally made the Kenyan recipe. Here it is. I served it over a bed of rice because it says serve with the starch. It's basically collard greens, spinach. I couldn't decide between kidney beans and black beans, and I finally decided to go on kidney beans. Diced tomatoes. So it's really healthy. So, and then sauteed onion, at first. So let's try this bad boy, okay? This is my mukbang. And I'll post the recipe again from the direct to recipe YouTube video. But it's really healthy, except for the oil. But it's good. It's different too. Yeah, I woke up, I got off work, stopped and did an errand, and came home and took a nap. So, and then woke up and I was like, I'm hungry. So, I decided to hurry up and make it. I was going to make it this morning before I went to work, and I was like, nah. Nice and healthy. I like it. Our tribe of many gets the credit from this recipe is where I found it. Work is good. I'm getting used to it. This morning I kind of like freaked out a little bit. So I feel like everything just sort of hit me, and plus I had the strangest dream. A dystopian dream. Dystopian. It was so weird and it was so real. It totally freaked me out. Dystopian about like a weird society or a government-controlled society type thing. And then in the morning I was all like freaked out because I realized, oh, I'm working and my daughter is not here, So that kind of blew me away. Weird morning. And then my boss asked me, she's like, what's the matter? You seem more nervous today than you were yesterday. And I'm like, I just had a weird morning. I'm sorry, I'm screwed up, Because it's my... It's my third day, Yeah, I was screwing up. I did a lot better yesterday, but this morning it was so weird. I was just like, But this is good. And healthy. Y'all can debate about the white rice or not. I know that's not healthy, but whatever. To me, this is healthy. Collard, spinach, beans, and tomatoes. Diced tomatoes. Yeah. Healthy. I think it might need more salt, though. He added a lot of salt in his video. I didn't realize that greens took up so much salt, Plus, beans do, too. I thought I put a lot of salt. And there's sour cream, but I use vegan sour cream with it, so tofu-y with it. 1 minute, I think my dog wants out. Come on outside. Okay, I let my dog out. It's not great about mukbangs. You don't have to edit. I don't edit anyway, but... Oh, I was thinking of joining TubeBuddy. help me, you know, jumpstart my channel a little bit as a newbie. I hope I will. I just don't know when. This is really good. Okay, so after this, I was going to make my curry, but because you eat curry with rice, I'm going to make pen spaghetti with tomato sauce, spinach, that vegan sausage, the Italian one, I'm going to put in it. My daughter would never let me do that. She'd let me put the fake meat in, but she wouldn't let me do the fake vegan sausage, so. And I'm going to do pen noodles. And, yeah, because I want, like, spaghetti stuff. I'm glad this is done because now I'll have something for a couple days. I got like me a LaCroix. I still have some left. My daughter would drink that, so. I want to eat more greens, so I've been eating salad every day after work because I eat at work, so. Tomorrow's my last day of working this week, and I have 4 days off, and I get paid, which will be nice. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, they said in the video, which you're going to watch it when you get the recipe on my post and below, that in Africa, they would eat this at the end of a month before they got paid again because they only got paid 1 or 2 times a month. So it's one of those poor recipes, you know, because everybody has that. Like we used to eat ramen or mac and cheese, right? Just stuff like that to hold you over till payday. So yeah, so they'd make this, and then when I saw this recipe, I was like, well, she'd always buy. I saw one of her hauls, you know, at our Tribe of Mini, and she always had a bunch of spinach. And I like Walmart spinach, frozen spinach, and that's what she had. She always, you know, excuse me, she buys once a month $1,200 grocery haul. And I was curious about her husband's recipe, and then I looked on her channel because I don't know how, I guess it was suggested to me. And then it's funny because I told you guys I found the other chick who's like totally opposite. She's just one person eating on a budget, $50 a month. And then you have this big family of 11 eating on $1,200 a month. The contrast, you know. And me, since it's just me, I'm like, well, what am I going to eat? I mean, although some days I don't feel like cooking, I'm just like, especially right now since my first week of work, you know. But today I was like, I gotta cook. And then when I put it away, I'm just going to put it on top of the rice, so. But it's good. And healthy. I just hate it because there's only one of me. Which means food will last me a few days. But at least I'm eating healthier again. It's really good though. Now at least eat it like 2 or 3 more times before I throw it out, so. Yeah, so I've been trying to figure out how to get my finances in order, you know. So since I've been watching Stacey Flowers, the one who eats off of $50 a month, I started following Dave Ramsey too. And baby step number 1 is save $500 to $1,000 in emergency. So that's my goal. But this would be good with lemon juice too. When my mom and I eat out of a can of spinach, it's always butter, lemon juice, and salt. So good. But yeah, the seasonings for this: garlic and salt. That's it. And oil to saute the onion. But I think I'll definitely add this to my rotation. And I try not to make it similar to my other recipes. Not completely different. And it works good with red beans. I think it'd work good with black beans too. Oh yeah, I was seeing the other day. I actually slept a couple of hours. Next to no for a starch, I'm going to add potato in this. You know. Yeah, at work we don't really get breaks, but during shift for food we get 50% off. We get free ice cream and drinks. Oh, okay. Oh, my boss is cool. You just have one of those days, you're like, what? I have one of those days. Yeah, this shift this week is so weird. At least I close next week. At least I can... 11 to 3 is just like odd. But it's for training, so... That's during lunch, so... Makes sense. Did I say this before? I feel like I'm the barista of ice cream. No, this is really good. Okay, I think I'm getting full. Which is great, only full off veggies and beans. But when I give myself a lot, I'll definitely have that for later. Okay, y'all, here's your second mukbang this week. Can you tell I just woke up? I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, and it's Thursday. Oh, I gotta start my laundry. It's Thursday, May 17th. Talk to y'all later. Bye.